Welcome to BEHS365 Individual, Society, and Environmental Sustainability. As the title suggests, we will examine the role of individuals in society in working toward a more sustainable society. As part of that exploration, we will have to examine the types of behavior that has brought us to this unsustainable state. So, in this course, we will 1. Examine the state we're in, 2. Examine how we got to that state, and 3. Examine what human behaviors and thinking contributed to this state of unsustainability and how we might be able to get out of it. Of course, as part of this exploration, we need to understand what sustainability means. We have to examine the deeper meaning of sustainability. What does economic, social, and environmental sustainability really mean, and how are they related? This course is an authentic assessment course. This means that there will be no final exam. Instead, you will have 5 projects, 2 quizzes, and at least 9 conferences. You'll have more than 9 conferences if you include like project sharing and project preparing conferences, which we'll have so that you can stay on top of the various activities for this course. It is very critical that you set aside quality time every few days for this course. It's also critical that you challenge yourself each day to make new neural connections. I should give you a warning that students who do not want to be challenged or make new connections and critically think do not do well in this course. The conferences challenge you to demonstrate that you have learned the concepts that we have read and listened to and viewed, and that you're able to critically think about these concepts. The projects require that you integrate these concepts, that you are able to integrate the concepts that you have read about and that we have discussed in this class. Students who love to be challenged and love to learn new concepts and critically think about them really enjoy this class and get a lot out of them. Okay, so essentially, there are 3 things that I would like each of you to get out of this course. 1, how sustainability relates to your everyday life and a basis of what you can do as individuals to become more sustainable. 2, connections between sustainability and important concepts such as health, happiness, ethics, and economics. 3, critical thinking skills, which will help you to lead a more examined life as well as help you in whatever career path you choose to take. Now, make sure that to get a good start in this course, make sure that you've ordered the 2 books that are required for this course. One is The Power of Sustainable Thinking by Bob Dopplet. This is quite an easy-to-read book that gives you an overview of how humans think and how we can change. The other book you can order or you can just download as a free PDF file online, and that's Plan B. Sorry, I'm very bad with this camera. It's Plan B 4.0. Okay, sorry. This computer goes to sleep if you don't touch it every few minutes. So I have to remember that. So anyway, you need to order Plan B 4.0 by Lester Brown, or you can download it as a free PDF file, and you can go on the announcements to see how you can do that. Okay, so to get started, please click on the left-hand side of the classroom and to go into the conferences. And you'll find in the conferences an introduction conference, which will take you to the various sections of the classroom so that you can familiarize yourself with how this classroom works. Please note that this classroom will look differently depending on what browser you use. If you use Internet Explorer as your browser, you might see a lot of HTML code. Actually, you probably will see a lot of HTML code, which can be very distracting. Worse yet, in one of my classroom, whole text disappeared. So please, to avoid having a difficulty time viewing your classroom, please use Firefox. Okay, Firefox will work both on Macs and PCs. Okay, so anyway, get started and go into the conference section, and hope you have a great semester. Take care.